Maybe you're like me and you record a lot of reels, but you don't actually post most of them and save them in drafts. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram reel drafts.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
First of all, we need to know how to access our drafts. So to access your reel drafts, you're going to want to go to your profile and you're going to want to click on the Reels tab. Once you click on the Reels tab, you're gonna see the first reel is gonna be a little blurred out, so it's like a little transparent and it says drafts on top of it. That is your drafts folder. So to access that, just click on it and then you're gonna see all your drafts. So you see there's lots that I don't actually even post. You can delete your drafts manually by going into your drafts, pressing select, and then you can just click on the reels that you want to delete. And then when you have them all selected, just press discard and it's going to get rid of the reels that way. You can also delete your drafts by logging out or uninstalling Instagram. So once you log off of Instagram or your account and then you uninstall Instagram, then all your drafts will go away. So make sure that you don't accidentally do this when you have all these drafts that you still want to use. So there you have it. Now you know how to delete your Reels drafts. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!